These are the women in charge of Ihiala local government area that paid a visit to their mother chapter to make sure that today is a wonderful occasion.
State Media Head, Mazi Chika Austin. Ilanya have no Drogo, Obron Bana no Biafra, he got captain. I got Habugadi Hugo. It made I get to return to be fair friend of police. Or return be fair friend of police. I want to recognize the presence of the Prince Beat of Don Prince, the Sample Master. The Sample Master. Oh yeah, Kuregua, Biafra Latago. Onamaya, Biafra Latago. Akwena, oh yeah, they are Emma, you could not have also money, Obuka. Mbona Baya Baya Mama Gobuchi no. Emma Yanji move for Dina Bainaya, as a coronavirus, you will know what you coronavirus because some will you 200,000. On a pop them the phone and they may pick it on. Much from home, but you face mask. Urogu chief, Muniacha, or your man. And I wouldn't know my name, even though get them now. I'll talk about all to the day, mother, where we are with you, I am an the leader of Biafra music industry, Obagatana High Table. I am with Yanila Zuroke. Yanila Zuroke, Nala Biafra. Yanila Zuroke, Nala Biafra. Yanila Zuroke, Nala Biafra. Nane Sabu, Sabu, Sabu Kainaya, Nane Sabu, Sabu, Sabu. Recognize the presence of Anambra State Media, Mazi King. Big of Hobagota, Usuko. I know that the Anambra State Coordinator, Mazi Chidozie on what you. I know no so because I can why you delay? Come and save your nation. Why you delay? Come and save your nation. Why you delay? Come and save your nation. It is either Biafra or yes. Ever accountable. Man, I got it to Biafra. IPOB.